Good day, everyone. Learn how to schedule an email in Gmail. So open your Gmail, and once you compose from the left-hand side, enter the mail like a test at the rate test.com, and I will mention test here. And from here, the send option is there. So we need to click on this more send options, the down arrow key right there. We will click on that and then schedule send. The moment you do that, here you can check the time, pick date and time. From here, you can select the date and the timing, whether it's a PM or AM like this. I'll mention like this, and then you can simply click on schedule send. Once you have done that, now you want to see where exactly your scheduled email is. Now from the left hand side under scheduled, you will find your scheduled email. Right. And if you want to cancel send, you can do that. And this is how you can schedule an email. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.